Hello guys and welcome. It's Derek Tafuma here of DerekTafuma.com and the Derek Tafuma University. So after a few days, maybe a week now, on this platform, on Steemit, which is still in beta format. Let me see if I can zoom into this. Well, it's not going to zoom in. Let's see if the rest of it can zoom in. Oh, there you go. Zooming in. Okay, let's try that corner. There we go. So the Steemit is still in beta format. It's a social platform. It's based on blockchain technology. It has an incentive system which is based on a cryptocurrency, and I shall go through just a few of the things which I think I have gathered so far, because most of the things that I've learned here have been through my own experiences, my own testing a few things here and there. So it has basically got trending stories here. If I click on trending, it will give you the trending stories. Okay, so these are the stories which are trending. This one here right at the top, travel with me, number 92, which means I probably got, I think this is a person who is traveling. Dear Steemit friends, did you know that there are more ancient Roman ruins in Turkey than there are blah blah blah, and it's in travel? And so it has got $359 so far. If I click on it, Sweet SSJ has a reputation of 75. It is still a bit slow, to be honest, this Steemit. I don't know whether it's part of the system where it's checking the blockchain technology, the validation and all that, which we can get into a little bit. But this person has taken pictures of these ruins, and it's quite a lot of pictures and some writing, and it looks like it's quite a lot. Okay, and she's got $359 just for that. 1,046 upvotes and 368 comments. Okay, so if I do this, if I upvote it, she had 359, 13, and now she has 359, 14, which means I've just added one penny to that account. So it means that my voting rights at the moment, if I do an upvote, I contribute 1p or 1 penny rather, 1 cent rather, not 1 penny, 1 cent, because this is US dollars. So 1 cent I've contributed to this, but depending on the strength of your account, you can contribute more or less. So I think before this I was contributing something like 0.001, but I'm up to 1 cent, which is which means I'm going up in terms of my reputation is also going up. And so if we go to this person, let's just go to this person. Since they are trending and they've made 359, if we go to the account, I'm going to follow that person. So you can follow the person, and then you can be able to see their stories as they are posted. And so let's see if we can go to this particular account. So there is the account, And the transparency with this thing is that it's able to show you exactly, people are able to show you exactly, or you're able to find out exactly how much the person is earning and all that from this platform. It looks like they are based in China. So still a little bit slow, but my computer is also getting a bit slow these days. I think it's due an upgrade, or I'm due an upgrade. Okay, so let's go to the wallet. You can actually go into the person's wallet and you can find out that they have 2,594 Steem, and their Steem power is 73,341, and their Steem dollars 16,147, and their savings is 10,866, and their estimated value is 94,000. Okay, so this is the history of the how much or what they have received. They received 5 cents or 50 cents SPD from Mubarak, 0.095 SPD. So these are this is all transparent. It shows you exactly that's 12 hours ago, and it's a whole history yesterday, 4, 5, 7 days, 8 days ago. It's showing exactly $1 here. Paid 134 SPD for 120.39 Steem. So you can actually buy with your Steem dollars. You can buy because it's a combination of the cryptocurrency and the Steem points. So you can buy the cryptocurrency using the points that you've accumulated in your wallet, and then you can convert that into a normal fiat currency. Okay, so this is how transparent all this is. And so if we go back to the Steemit here, now there's the trending, there's the new, there's the hot, and the promoted. Okay, it's all going to be the same, but it's categorized accordingly. And if we go to mine, you just click on there, we go to my blog, you will find that it's a new account, and I'm still trying to figure out how some of these things work. I know how some of them work now, but you can see here, for example, I've got 2 comments there. I've got 2 upvotes here, 3 upvotes. I've got 3 cents here, how to create a product or service. This I posted 9 hours ago. Let me show you. All these are 0. This one is 1 cent. This one is 34 cents. Okay. This one is $475. That one is not mine. It's a re-steem, or kind of like if you're retweeting something, that's a re-steem. And that person, in the name of freedom, and that team Steem has $475 for this post, who's 1,063 votes and 264 comments. So you can see that the more comments you have, the better for you. Okay, and let me show you one where this one I got 88 cents. So it's promising. If I click on that, it'll tell me that the payout is going to be 88 cents, and it's in 2 days. I'll show you one that's actually been paid out, and the one that's been paid out is down here. Let's find it. There it is, $2.88. This one was paid out. Past payments, $2.88. So I got $2.18, and the curators got 70 cents. Those who may have shared or retweeted or who may have upvoted. Okay, so for upvoting, they get something. If there had been comments, I would have got more. Okay, so this is how this is all working. Now imagine on Facebook you do the same sort of thing. You're commenting, you're liking, you're sharing, okay, but you get nothing out of it. So this is promising in that it's actually rewarding, or it's recognizing the value that you're providing to the community, because it's all a community of people, really. That's what social media is all about. And in this community, the community values the contribution that you're making, and the more value they put to your content, the more that you're going to get paid. Okay, so this is my account, and I'll show you my wallet. Nothing to hide here. And I hope to show you this wallet maybe once a week or once a month, so that you can see if there is any progress. So my current rewards, $1.089 SPD and 1.064 SP. I think this is Steam Power. This is Steam dollars, Steam Power, and I have an estimated account value of 50 cents. Okay, so I'm 50 cents at the moment, but I'm sure within a month or two or a year, I'll be at a different level. So I transferred 0.001 SPD to Streemian, which is a something that you can use to, it's a platform that you can use if you want to schedule your posts and all that. I did that today, so I haven't actually had a chance. And I got 0.001 SPD from Bajo. So this is Streemian. This is their account on Steemit, and they get quite a few dollars. Streemian here is $1,190, $593, $3.68, $000, $18.99. So as you can see, even people like Streemian, who at one point will get thousands for one post, who get zero for other posts. In fact, these are last year, so they may have cleared actually, I think. I think they probably got back down to zero after some time. I'll have to check on that. So maybe that's why. But this one is also last year and it's $61.63. So I think they do keep their value then. And by the way, this is going up, but it can also come down. So let's see what happens if I go to this here. It's 51 and I upvote it. Okay. I'm going to see if there's going to be a change. I don't know if I maintain my voting amount all the time or it goes up and down, but I think it should go up and down because the value of the currency is also going up and down. It takes quite a bit at the moment for the vote to register, and you can only vote once every 3 seconds. So I think they want to give time for consolidation. That's gone blue, and that stayed at 51 cents. So that has had no effect on the. So my vote has had no effect on the amount that the person has got. So let's see what's here now. So there is the comments. Here's my comments. And if you look here, I have a reputation of 38. And so this is Derek Fuma's reputation score. The reputation score is based on the history of votes received by the account and is used to hide low quality content. Okay. So I think if you're down there, and it's been a year and you're still at 38, your content is probably low quality, and so the system starts to hide your content, I think. Okay, so my comments will be there, my replies are here. Those are my replies. I'm going to vote this one up. setting smart goals to achieve success in life. So you have completed more achievement, blah, blah, blah. This was a comment from the Steemit board. Now, I'm not sure how genuine this Steemit board is because, anyone can design anything that looks authentic, blah, blah, blah. So I'm still learning anyway. I'll soon find out. Okay, so these are the replies that I received. I'm trying to vote this one up. It's taking too long. So I'm going to go away to comments, and they are still loading. So the comments are also taking too long. Okay, so here we go back to, and one thing, if you saw something red here, DTube, okay, so this is my first DTube video. This was a video that I shot in DTube, and I'll show you what the DTube looks like in a minute. So this was my first video. Watch on DTube, watch source IPFS. So I got 18 views on this one. And actually this video, which I'm doing now, I'm actually going to post it on DTube because whenever I post to YouTube these days, there is always an issue of if I try to monetize the video, it's not really, and after spending so much time, like now I'm spending quite a bit of time, to make this video. And after I've done that, YouTube will simply not monetize the video because the algorithms are telling them that it's not user friendly, or they say it's not advertiser friendly. Okay, but there are no adverts in DTube, so I'm just going to put this in DTube. Now, the only issue I'm having with DTube now is it's a little bit difficult to post on DTube. It's taking quite a bit of time, and it will not even appear in Safari, as you can see. In Safari, it's a no-no. It's not even going to load up. So what I normally have to do is to go to Google Chrome, and then once I'm in Google Chrome, once it decides to open up, if I look for DTube video, it's going to come up, and let me see if I'm logged in. Looks like I'm logged in there, but it could be because I'm logged in, and this is why I don't like Chrome, because it comes up with all these pop-ups. Okay, so I have 34. I think these are my subscribers. I have 34 subscribers. I don't know how many views this has had. This at some point had some money on it, but I don't see it anymore. So if I just play the video a bit, and it's taking time. So those are some of the issues that this DTube is experiencing. But if you look here, let me just show you what these guys are earning. This guy, Dollar Vigilante, 2 days ago, is $142 on this video. Let me just play it a bit. So there we go. Okay, so there's stuff happening here, and this guy is 15,093 subscribers. I don't know whether this is subscribed. I think it is because I'm subscribed. If I unsubscribe, it goes to 92. If I subscribe, it goes to 93. Yeah, so those are subscribers, and this is the amount of money this video has made. While if I was to, if this was to be posted on YouTube, it would have to go through some scrutiny and maybe even be told that you can not be able to monetize that video. Okay, so after this after screencasting this video, I'm actually going to put it up on DTube, and hopefully it's not going to give me too much hassles. It has been giving me a few hassles just trying to post the videos here. It took me about a day or two the other time when I tried to do a video. Okay, so let's go back to Steemit. Very Steemit. It's gonna be here. Okay, so let's go back to Steemit, and then that account is still on 359. Let's refresh that and see if it's gone up from 359. Okay, so 359.46, so it's just gained 46 cents while we were out. Now let's look for that guy, Dollar Vigilante. So I can, if I come here to my blog, I can check out my followers and the people that I'm following. And if I click on the people I'm following and we look for Dollar Vigilante, there is Dollar Vigilante, we will be able to see that video, which there's the video on DTube. So if when you post on DTube, the video automatically comes here and it's posted on your Steemit account. Okay, so I'm just voting that one up. It's 2 cents, 142.02, and if I vote it up, it's going to go either stay the same or go up. Okay, but as time goes on, when I get more voting power, I'll be able to contribute to these people's accounts, and they'll be able to contribute to mine as well. Okay, guys, so let's see if I can show you another thing, which instead of going through the white paper, I wanted to just go through what I've actually done. So this is the white paper for Steem, an incentivized blockchain-based public content platform, August 2017. Steem is a blockchain database that supports community building and social interaction with cryptocurrency rewards. Steem combines concepts from social media with lessons learned from building cryptocurrencies and their communities. An important key to inspiring participation in any community, currency, or free market economy is a fair accounting system that consistently reflects each person's contribution. Steem is the first cryptocurrency that attempts to accurately and transparently reward an unbounded number of individuals who make subjective contributions to its community. So this is about rewarding your participation. Like as soon as I post this on DTube, I'm going to be rewarded if people are able to relate to what I'm talking about. They're able to view, comment, will be rewarded for it. Okay, via this cryptocurrency, and that cryptocurrency can be converted back into some fiat currency of your choice. Okay, so this is white paper. You can go through it. There is a table of contents. They have things like recognizing contribution, ways to contribute, capital contribution, Steem power, Steem dollars, minimizing fraudulent fees, mitigating timing attacks, minimizing abuse of conversions. So there is a whole lot of security which is inbuilt into this blockchain application. So basically, this is a blockchain application. And there is the introduction, and you can read through this. If you go to their website, steem.com, you can find this you can be able to find this. Let me just go here and I'll show you. So if you come here, there is the Steam white paper and there is the blue paper. So you can read the blue paper and you can go to the App Center as well. I think I'm going to talk about these separately after I've explored them a little bit more. Okay, so thank you guys for listening. Obviously, if you do like this video, just re-DTube it or re-Steem it, however they call that, and then also comment, make some comments. If there are improvements to be made, you can put them down in the comments and I can respond to the comments. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video.